Today's tutorial, how to fill a PDF form in Java. Welcome everyone to our tutorial on how to fill PDF forms in Java using the IronPDF library. Let's take a quick look at our pom.xml file. We've added the IronPDF dependency, which you can obtain from the IronPDF website. So let's move on to our app.java file. This file contains the code necessary for generating and filling out a PDF form. We start by importing the required classes from the IronPDF library. This includes PDF document license and Chrome PDF render options. In the main method, we first fetch the license key from the environment variable named IronPDF license key. If the license key is not set, we throw an exception. This ensures that the application only runs when the license is properly configured. Next, we define the location where our output PDF will be saved using paths.get /assets/basic form.pdf. And this sets the path for the PDF file that we will generate. We then create an HTML string that represents our form. This HTML includes fields for the first name and last name, making it a simple yet effective form for demonstrating these purposes. To convert this HTML form into a PDF, we use Chrome PDF render options. By setting the set create PDF forms from HTML option to true, we ensure that the form fields are rendered as editable PDF fields. Using PDF document.render HTML as PDF, we convert the HTML string into a PDF document and then save it to a specified output location. So at this point, we have an unfilled PDF form saved as basic form.pdf. All right, so now let's move to the second part and the more interesting part, filling the PDF form. We load the previously saved form using PDF document.fromFile. To set the values of the form fields, we use the set field value method. Here, we fill in the first name with Mini and the last name with Mouse. This method allows us to programmatically set the values of the form fields. Finally, we save the field form as new PDF file, basic form _fill.pdf. And this file now contains the data that we programmatically inserted into the form fields. So let's run the project, check it out. All right, so the program executed successfully. Let's take a look at the resulting PDF files. On the left, you can see the unfilled PDF form, which is simply the rendered HTML with empty fields. And on the right, you can see the filled PDF form with Mini and Mouse entered in the respective fields. And there you have it. You successfully created and filled out a PDF form in Java using the IronPDF library. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like to hear more tutorials from Iron Software. And if you'd like to get started with IronPDF, please sign up for a trial on the site and continue to download and install the package and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.